Okay, cool. Okay, so what should we start with? Should we do scales?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm gonna go random. Let's go F minor. Yep, that's the one. Good. Yeah, good. So you maybe do the right hand just like it's, and you want the 3 on the E. That's the kind of yeah. That's it. Yeah, you don't want the G flat.
Got it, okay.
Yes, yeah, keep going. Yeah, you know that. E. G, not G flat. We haven't done this one in a while, have we?
No.
Yeah, good. Let's do one hand. I think one hand is good for this.
Okay.
It has been a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Nearly. Yeah, good. What major scale is that related to? Nearly. Good. Yeah. Yeah, good. Why don't we do A flat?
Okay.
Do one hand, yeah, I reckon. So that note was the sharpened 7th.
Okay.
So that's normally
So
an E flat. Yeah, so it's 4 flats. And what are they? Those 4 flats. B. Yeah, good. Yeah, you really want to put G flat into all these, don't you? That's good too. Good. Go from there. Yeah, good. And then no, go down, I think. 3, good. Yeah, good. And then what's for the left hand? So alternate. So you're going to start with 3, yeah, and then 4, good. Yeah, good. And then go what's hands together? Start 3, that's it. Good. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, good. Yeah, okay, actually, that's quite interesting in a way.
Yeah.
Because actually, normally I tell you scales and you whiz up and down them.
Yeah.
So, why don't you have a little play this week of A flat and F minor just to kind of revise them?
Mm-hmm.
I'll write that down.
Yeah.
Let's go for a different one. Let's go for something we might have done a bit more recently. How about C minor? C minor is related to E flat. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah, that's the natural minor. So yeah, exactly. Yeah. Good. 3, 4 there. 3. Good. Good. Not bad. And one more time. Really like sink in. So it's sort of, you get that like longness to each note. Much better. Much better. I feel like that makes quite a big difference. So I think whenever you're doing scales and arpeggios, your touch tends to be quite, I don't know, like, maybe like, what's the best way of describing that kind of leggero, sort of, like that. I feel like it could be worth slightly sinking in to the keys. But yeah, let's go. So A flat major and F minor as a kind of just to remind yourself. When you're not doing exams anymore, I feel like it's good to just keep those scales in there, like under your fingers, because they're going to come up in all your pieces. Okay, should we do? I feel like we did a fair bit of Claire de Lune last week. Is that right? Should we go a bit more Beethoven this week?
Sure.
Yeah, we just did that at the end, didn't we? Okay, cool. So we did a bit on the first page.
Yeah.
How are you getting on with the first page? Is there anything that's,
I mean,
rhythmically
like that bit and still.
Oh yeah. Okay, and we didn't have much time for that last week.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, so let's do that.
Okay.
I wonder if it might be worth starting. Yeah, I think we can start there.
Yeah.
You're going about boom, 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 boom. Yeah. I reckon. I wonder if you could pick it up from. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, go from there. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes, and then do you need help with the rhythm on this bit? Roughly. Okay. Yeah. Good. Yes. So let's take it bar by bar. Let's take that. I think this bar was good actually. So let's just take that bar. And I think your counting was pretty accurate. Little. So if you're going one. Yeah. What's happening with the left one? That should be GBF. Which I think you normally would be on if you played the bit before. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, let's do that a few times. That's good. Yep, good. Yes. 3 and yeah. Okay, good. And then let's do that how you want it to sound, because that was in time.
Okay.
So we're starting with a SFP. So
yeah.
Kind of loud, and then you're coming away. Yes, that last chord was lovely. Where does this come off? Because that's important. Because yours at the moment didn't. So let's think about, and that helps with the SF with the P part of it, because it takes away some of the volume.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. And then the notes. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, let's do that again. Nice, really good. I think worth pedaling from here.
Yeah.
Because you've got B's on their own, so it doesn't really make any difference. And it sounds like you've got 2 staccato ones, and then 2 not at the moment. So I think pedal earlier there. Yes. As soon as so think of that as coming in as soon as you take the left hand off. Yeah, pretty much. the shaping of that last chord's really nice. Let's do that again. More. So you can't have the first one. You can't have like. So that pedal needs to go. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Try and really feel this F. It go into. It's not like you play the F and then you play a fast split. It's like. Yeah, so you need to go this. I would think, so this 6, I probably think of it as, well, just a 6 I suppose, but, you know, on the up, it's nice that most of it just goes down.
Yeah.
So you're kind of just heading for the 2 at that point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Yes. That's good. Yep. From there, yeah. So, yeah, good. You want that to be kind of soft but purposeful, I would say. Like it's there. It pierces the silence, but it's still not aggressive.
Yeah, okay.
It's like, here I am. Yeah, nice. That was good. Do it again. It's where that comes in. It's like, this comes in exactly halfway.
Yeah.
And da da da, and da da da. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, yeah. Lovely. And actually, if you stand opposite O, you want to kind of land. Like these also then need to be. I just feel like this area is quite delicate, so you have this.
Yeah.
Kind of, do you hear that? They're just nice and clear, so you don't get any of this. You know, not that you were doing that, but you have this kind of. And so on. So they're quite like.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, like that's gonna be. Yeah, as you know. Okay, yeah. No. Do that one again. A bit more, I think. Okay. Go again. Yeah. Okay. Timing was good. Yeah, and I feel like when you got there, it was a bit like. Do you know what I mean? Like.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, each one of these feel like you're placing it down, like boom, 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 boom,
yeah,
and so.
Okay.
Yeah, that was better. That was better. But get the pedal down earlier.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So these are in time. You're playing them in time. They feel a bit like you're really wanting to get them done. Like, I think you can take a bit more time on them. I feel like you can give them a bit more space. So, okay. 4. Or was it 3? Oh, you swap finger. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. It's because 4's a bit of a weak finger.
Right.
And that doesn't help with the kind of, you know, I said like the purposeful nature of the quiet note.
Yeah.
You have a bit more control through. Just practice these 4. Pedal.
So
straight away. Yeah.
Yeah. Forget to do that.
Oh, I would. Yeah. Too much about that. Do you know what? It's hard. You need the clarity at the beginning. It's hard because it's your fourth finger. It's 3, 4, 5. It's like your weakest fingers, and it's trying to feel. Yeah, try and get each finger, and then you go into the speed of it.
Okay, yeah.
So I feel like get the clarity at the beginning, and then whirlwind it.
Mhm.
Yeah, good pedal. Okay, good. Okay, I think let's move on from that while you can practice that.
Yeah.
Let's go on to here. What's happening with that chord? I'm going to G at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Good. What chord is it?
C minor.
Good. In. Second version.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, it's good. Yeah. So, how are you going to practice this big line slash just a bar, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
I would maybe add in a semi-quaver at a time.
Mhm. Yeah.
So you land on the first time.
Yeah.
3 E
Mhm.
and only then add in the next bits because you kind of want to get to each bit in time, and particularly when you get to
Yeah.
that one where you've got to bring the chord in. You don't want to be hovering on this E flat waiting for this chord. You kind of want to be and then you go
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go up to 3 E and no we'll go up to
Yeah.
okay. So which is kind of similar to what we just did actually.
Mhm.
3 E and yes. That's better. Yeah, know what finger you're landing on. That's really important.
Yeah.
As well. Yeah. Good. Yes, good. Yeah, I feel like you're trying quite hard with clarity, which is good.
Yeah.
It will get there. Good.
Mhm.
Not bad. Yeah, really, you've got to feel the 3 E and so sort of feeling that and
Yeah.
and 3 E and yeah, good. I'm not going to say anything. Stop. Okay. I'm not feeling beat and.
Yeah.
It feels like 3 E somehow.
Okay.
3 E. So you've got to feel that beat of nothing.
Yeah.
Better. It's slightly early. That's terrible.
Yeah.
Okay, go a touch longer than you need. So actually, let me play this bit a little bit. This is a bit rubbish, but I'm gonna go from here.
Sure. Yeah.
I'll show you what I mean. I'll go from there actually.
Okay.
So you have this.
Yeah.
There. And so on.
Yeah.
Do you see how you can take a bit more? You can almost take a. I mean, you want it in time.
Yeah.
But if you're like 3 E and it's a bit more. So you can take. And so on, like a tiny bit, but you still want to feel the beat, I think, of silence.
Okay.
I wonder if it might be worth. Yeah, try. Yeah, okay. That was much better. That was much better.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't even take any extra time. That was just completely in time. That was good. That's kind of what we're aiming for, really. A bit less good than that one. Good. Yeah, and we're landing on the main thing, really, also is that we're landing on that
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you want to practice from to 4?
Like.
Yeah, just from there. Work out what fingers you like. So if we go like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So you're going to be on A, yep. And then just slowly go through essentially what notes you're going to do. 3 there, yeah. Yeah, that's it. A to start. Yeah. 2. It's all 3s in this one. Loads of 3s. Yep. And what finger are you landing on? Yeah, good one. Yeah. That's where you land essentially. Good. Yeah, that's better. A few more times. And then a bit faster. Better. Yeah. Nice, yeah. Okay, let's add it in. So yeah. Good, we didn't expect it the first time. Yeah, good. That's kind of a practice method, yeah. Oh, do you know what? Sorry, I just thought something. This chord comes off on the end, so it could be something that you take your hand off to signify the first beat. So that's how you feel the first beat. 3 E and go. Should we go tiny bit slightly like 3 E yeah, not bad. Much better. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm wrong. Oh, okay. Didn't know. That was great. That is. Yeah, you okay. It's getting your fourth finger on the B flat. Yeah. Okay, so it's not all 3. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Do one where you don't necessarily play in time.
Yeah.
But you kind of get the fingers right. Yeah. And sort of be aware of. So you kind of know your points.
Yeah.
Not that you want to stop on them, but you kind of want to know where they are. Yeah, good. So. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yes. Can we add that chord in? Because you're gonna. That's actually probably a huge challenge. It is a G7, which is what you just played, but it's a D instead of a B. Yeah. Okay. It'll get used to. Cool. Yeah. Okay. First go. I take it slow actually. Do a few of almost like slow motion.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Yes. I think probably let's leave that bit there.
Yeah.
But I feel like that would be a method. There's loads of different things you can do to practice this, but I think that's quite a nice method of breaking it up so it's not just loads of notes. So you almost want to do some where you just try and be in time and don't necessarily worry about it being 100% like every single note.
Yeah.
And then quite often I think you should do like there. So you still get that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever it is. But yeah, kind of slower and very, very accurately. Cool. Does that help with that section?
Yeah.
Should we move on to another one? Forward. Where are we? I know what else we didn't get to do last week.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had a look at that bit?
Yeah.
Cool. I love this bit. Absolutely love it.
No, it's quite fun.
I used to listen to this when I was really young and and just be like. It's up to the G flat now. Although, let's actually stop there because that's great because you just need an idea of this bit really.
Yeah.
Where are you up to actually? Have you gone all the way through it?
No, I've gone to.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What are we aiming for in this? Like, what do you want to hear? What do you want to kind of not hear too much of?
Right hand.
Yes, the right hand is what we want to hear.
Yeah.
That's your melody. Good. What do we want to hear a bit? What do you not want to hear too much of? Yeah. I mean, I think you want a bit of bass note. You don't want to not hear it, obviously.
Yeah.
But I think that bum 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 can get quite grating on the ear. Let's say. So I think if we can do it with left hand, can we aim for kind of?
Yeah.
Is that trying to get these so they don't get in the way? You don't want to be like.
Yeah.
Not that you were, but like.
No, yeah.
That kind of delicate touch. That's really nice. Yeah. I think that. Yeah. Good. Let's do that again. You can probably ground that. That B flat. You can have. Yeah. Like a bit of a. Really good. Yeah, that's lovely. That is what you want that to sound like. That's great. Now let's add the other bit on top.
Yeah.
And see if you can keep that sounding like that. Yeah, okay, good. Let's do it again. Let's aim for, particularly when you're over here and it's like your body's less comfortable, let's say. Like try and get clarity of like hear those bass notes like they're, I don't know.
Yeah.
Just heading dun 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 dun. Because you're heading, what are you heading for? Yeah. So make a bit more like yeah. Remember that's the end as well. Because you don't want to go. It's very tempting to massively accent that because you're heading off. So you need to bounce off something, but you want that. And then less. Okay. Slow it down just a tiny bit. Yeah, like. Right, yeah. So I heard from here really well. That B flat, it's awkward to get to. Make sure you're on top of it and it's like comfortable for you. Better. Good. Okay, let's try and add a bit of pedal into this.
Yeah, okay.
Now. Can I play it?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, you play it first.
Okay.
Experiment. Just try some pedal. Let's be broad about it. Yeah, okay, cool. So it's actually quite tricky, this pedaling, isn't it? I don't think it's obvious what to do.
No.
Let me play it and see what I'm doing. Oh, I don't do that. Interesting. Okay, I think don't pedal on staccato notes.
Okay.
So you get all this. now try and bring the pedal off. Like you don't want, you kind of want the phrasing of these, so you want like, do you see what I mean? So. Try just that, try just that, just to kind of, you almost dip the pedal. Yeah. Yes. And I think you do probably want to catch that F as well. In a new, I'm not sure actually. Go from the beginning, let's hear it. Yeah, and then none of that, that needs clarity. Yeah, I reckon so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Good. That actually sounded fine. It's almost like dips. So actually, yes, you don't need a lot. Can I try something though? I think. I think with it, off. So you get a bit on the, because it just gives it a slight shine. And I feel like it's quite nice to just get that like a tiny bit of real like warmth into the that. But it's going to take a bit of getting used to, I think. And again. So if you like, just do the tree bit. That's pretty much it. Yeah. I think what to do this week with this is, we'll talk more about pedaling next time, but experiment a little bit with what sounds good. And the worst thing to do is too much. So I think almost as little as possible, but I think it does need some to have like that sort of element of, I don't know, kind of warmth to it. It just needs a slight, otherwise it's just a bit dry. For my taste anyway. Everyone's got different opinions about it, so it's not like a thing. So I also think speed is going to help you a little bit. Let's try it, the beginning bit, so the bit you're comfortable with. A little faster. Do you know what I mean though? I think that's giving its character. So I think you need to do different things. Practice slow for the. Stand up a second. I just want to show you. Like, I think literally practice like. To get what you really want out of it, and then you can even do smaller sections to kind of. It's like less for your brain to think about, but you can focus in on a bit and do a bit on that. Does that sound good? Okay, cool. Should we touch on Claire de Lune as well while we're here? Or we can do it with that, depending on what you fancy.
I haven't really done notes on that. I haven't learned any more, so.
Yeah. If that's what you meant. What were we looking at last time? Learn more.
I think we did a fair bit of that. So.
Oh, yes, and we were bringing up the top.
Yeah.
Cool. Have you played it much since last time?
A bit.
Yeah.
I have
Okay, cool.
That works well.
That's actually quite a lot more. Okay, let's play that bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
From there?
Yeah, I reckon so. roughly that. Yeah, cool, fine. I think, could we look at the chords that you're playing with the left hand? Because I think it might be helpful to know what you're playing. For example, you know, you've got 6 notes there, but really it's one chord. What's that? Yeah. Literally F minor. So all that, instead of thinking of all these notes, it's like, yeah, it's an F minor chord, which is really helpful, I think. And it continues into that, because that's just the bottom of an F minor chord as well. Yeah. Do you want to write that? Is it helpful? Yeah. You write wherever you want to go. Yeah, lovely. Okay, so let's play that. What fingers are you using as well? That seems good. Yeah, good. Okay, now that's another chord. It's a slightly more, take the E flat out and tell me what you've got. What's that? Good. Yes. F7. Yes, fantastic. Let's play that a few times. Now you know what it is. Does that kind of help? You know, it's also a root position, which is nice, and that continues still part of F7. Let's play that first line again now. Nice, that's lovely. So quiet on this. Now, I'm just wondering if you need to take the pedal off there. Try it without. Try just leaving the pedal down until the next bar. Yeah, that's good. I don't think the pedal needs a complete change anyway. Yeah. Because it's nice, I think, to have like a little bit of the atmosphere. Also, you know, it says tempo 1. Yeah. What tempo? Where are you at? Like, so I think you've got loads faster during this section, right? Yeah. Because you've got animated. And yes, mosso. So we've got faster and faster really through this section. We've got mosso. And then animal. So we've got faster and faster and faster. So, and then the beginning's andante. Yeah. So you've got to the end of this. Yeah. And then you can kind of calm it right down. So I think just be aware of that. I thought that when you got there, because it's like. So this is, you've got way more time. That was beautiful. Really, really lovely. Okay, so we've got F minor. Then we go F7. What happens next? Okay, this one's more complicated. But you can definitely do it. Take the, that was right. Take the A flat out. Good, fantastic, yes. And then add the A flat, 7. B flat minor 7. Yes, lovely. I mean, that one's not, first, it's not a root position. Secondly, it's maybe a slightly more complicated chord, possibly. So it might not be as helpful, but I think if you know your B flat minor chord, or like you can think about it there, in if you can kind of see it, there it is. It'll also help you because there's quite a lot of this going on in the right hand. And look at that. Yeah. B flat minor. So that whole bar. Yeah. It's like, it's all the way as well. So yeah. Let's play that now. It'll be more helpful the more you, like, try not to just ignore that, like, really think about the chord. Yeah. Because it's going to help you forever, essentially, with everything. Okay, what have we got next? That is not quite it. Yeah, I'm not the sharp. No, you're right. good. So, again, what notes? No B flat.
Oh. What's that?
Yeah. Can you hear it seventh again?
Yeah.
What is the seventh? Best way to tell a seventh is it's always next to the eighth.
Right.
So if you have two notes next to each other, probably it's a seventh chord and it's the seventh and the eighth, not always, but
Is that
great. Fantastic. What have you got? Yep. A flat major and the G flat is the
G flat?
Yes, A flat 7. It really doesn't look like it because it starts on an E.
Yeah.
Which kind of throws it shape. So shape is almost not helpful, I think. But if you spot it in there, I think,
Yeah.
And I think then it's so clever how it gets to this next chord because this chord is very similar. What's changed actually? Actually, hold on. No, it's not that similar. No, you were right. It's just it's not similar. Oh yeah. Okay. Again, do you have two notes next to each other? Right. Yep. Okay. So take the D. No, don't take the D flat away. Yeah. What's that?
D flat.
Yep. And then when we have the D flat, 7. Yeah. E flat minor 7. Yep. It's interesting these ones because they're starting on the 7th note.
Yeah.
And that one particularly starting on the 7th. It's like quite throws the sound a bit lower.
Yeah.
And it's a minor 7th, so we're not as familiar with sound that. Should we do this last one? Yeah. Oh, I meant this actually.
Oh.
Yes, it is. No, wait. Yeah. Yes, it is. Good. Fantastic. So it's kind of come full circle. Yeah. Absolutely fantastic.
And then that one.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go to that because you're up to there anyway. Mitch, why don't you see if you can do those?
Figure those ones out.
Figure those 3 out.
And
I think if you can try and associate them,
yeah,
it might help you memorise it as well. Because when I learnt this years and years and years ago, I do remember feeling like this is like quite a lot of notes in it.
Yeah.
When you feel like you've just already learnt like loads of pages of notes.
Yeah.
So I feel like if you can consolidate them into 8 chords, some of which are the same as the ones you just played, I think it might be helpful in terms of like learning it. Good. Okay. Fantastic.
Great,
Well done. That's good. Again, I haven't written anything this week, but you know what you do.
Right. Yeah.
Keep bringing the notebook.